Hi Leo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for April 2013. Leos, we start this month with three planets that are activating a part of your chart that has to do with friendships. We have Mars, we have Venus, and we have the lovely Sun, that's your ruling planet. They are going to be transiting your ninth house. Now, your ninth house has to do with not just friendships, it has to do with travel. It has to do This house is commonly also known as the house of philosophy. This house takes us to uncharted territories, adventures that we have not experienced before. It's a lovely house. And both Mars and Sun being the masculine planet, there is going to be a lot of action that you can expect, or rather, you will be more active physically into this part of your chart as of now. Now in April, this aspect started for you from end of March, and it is there till about 20th of April. And during this time, you could find yourself either coming across some very interesting people, or rather even making a lot of friends. You may have thought that, okay, I'm pretty much been there, done that, cannot be adding more to my list, but end of the March, from 20th of March to 20th of April, you will find yourself adding on more people to your friends as you go along. Maybe people you want to know more about, or you would like to get to know, or even people who would want to know you. And it's a good time. I think it's a lovely fun time, especially with your own ruling planet sun lighting this part of your chart, which just suggests that there's going to be not just a feeling of being very self confident and wanting to do things. The ninth house encourages our quest for life, what it is that we want out of life, where is it that I'm going. This is also a time where you could be drawn towards more experiential way of living. I think there is just somewhere a need to be wanting more adventure in your life. I think you would be, or rather, you could have felt a bit bored in the last couple of months, and this is a time with this part of your chart activating. You will be sort of gearing for all sorts of adventures. You would be wanting something more, something exciting to be happening, and which it would, and maybe in the form of new friends. Maybe you may travel to faraway places with this entire new set of friends whom you've never met, and it'll be a great adventure. Maybe you could be also seeking higher education. Your ninth house is also about higher education, so you could be finally getting into a kind of a routine as to what it is that or maybe something that you've been wanting to learn for a long time. Like I said, in this house is also about philosophy, so maybe things that have intrigued and interested you. uh, this space is also about mystery, something mysterious, something adventurous. So you could be seeking more information onto that. Maybe some of you could be reading a lot of philosophy, or maybe books to do with spirituality, and knowing more about life, or what is it that makes things tick. And like I said, a lot of seeking adventure with newer set of people, with friends maybe. And travel is a big one for you this month, I think, which is great, because all Leos love travel. There's generally a wanderlust in most of the Leo, especially if your ascendant is also there in Leo. So that's a great thing. We have Mercury, and Mercury is activating a part of your chart that has to do with joint resources. It has to do with sexuality. It has to do with compulsions, and it also has to do with obsessions. Now, Mercury is the organizer. Mercury is really the fixer. Mercury also governs communication and some amount of travel. And this part of your chart, like I said, has to do with joint resources. So you could be speaking with somebody with whom you're in a partnership with. The money is coming, going. There could be a lot of discussions around it. It's all good. There's nothing to worry about. And just as to how it is that the money is being split, whether you're getting your share, what is fair, what is not fair. Do you want to go ahead with this partnership, or maybe a newer partnership as well? Maybe you've been communicating with somebody about a joint partnership, and you've not sort of taken it forward, and that gets surfaced. So a lot of you could be communicating, articulating as to how it is that you want things in a partnership space to be moving forward onto joint finances, who gets how much of share, what is it that comes to you. Also, I think if there have been intimacy issues, I think this is a time where you could sort of speak with your partner. It's a great time to be voicing out your innermost fears regarding intimacy. Maybe it doesn't have to do with commitment, it just has to do, these are just intimacy issues. Maybe some of you are in a relationship, but you're not, the intimacy is missing in it. So maybe it's a good time to be bringing that about and talking and discussing about it. And even though on the surface everything could be fine in a relationship, in a personal relationship, and you may think, oh, it's all going fine, it's all great, I have nothing to worry about, it's smooth, but there could be this nagging worry in your head, that that intimacy piece is still missing. So I think it's a good time to be addressing it. It's a good time to be talking about it. You have all the planetary support this month, Leo, so go ahead and do it. Now, yes, this aspect of your chart also speaks about transformation at a soul level. I think a lot of you are going to be, while all along, of course, you've recognized the patterns and you know what it is that works for you, what does not, but you are consciously making an effort to change from within, as to from the core. What is it that no longer works? You're willing to let go of that aspect of yourself, and I think that is a brilliant thing to be doing. So, of course, it's not going to be happening overnight that one fine day you wake up and you say, you know what, I'm not like this anymore, and it doesn't work for me, so I'm going to be this entirely new different person. It's going to be gradual, but like I said, the acceptance and the willingness for change has come, and it is being done at a very core level. It's at a very soul level. The transformation is taking place and the willingness is there. So great going there, Leos. Overall, seems like a brilliant month for you, especially for Leos. Out of all the zodiacs this month, like I said, the house of friendship is lit up. So lots of lovely times, lot of socializing, partying, seeking thrill, adventure, a lot of getting together with like-minded people. So have a great April. I'll see you again in May, and thank you so much for watching.